Thursday market, October 23rd. We have no news at all, which is just gonna be good. Hopefully we can reach the levels that I have marked out already today. We can see some very good setups for today. When we come into Friday, which is tomorrow, right? You have Euro, GBP, and USD news. So let's see tomorrow what tomorrow is gonna bring. But for today, so right now, my bias for today is going to be buy. All right, it's going to be buy, but you gotta be beware of this range, right? If price breaks this level, I think we can say that gold is in a bearish trend, right? Is in a bull trend. So yeah, so till then I'm gonna stay buy, and I've already marked out a zone, right? I've already marked out a zone. We can see that yesterday, right here. So we have a 15-minute zone. I'm looking for the buy side. I have a 15-minute zone, but I would say let's just wait. Even if I want to use this 15-minute zone, I want to wait. I want to see price take out, the previous day high, and then probably put in a shift, and then enter from some sort of a retest of, this area. But if price fails to do that, I think we can focus on this region. It's a 15-minute zone. I'm using Asia lows as your inducement. And we'll enter with a confirmation on your 5 minutes. So this is for gold. So this is the only trade I got for gold right now. And like I told you, if price takes out the previous day's high, then I guess I would try to enter from the retest, meaning it would have fully shifted in bias. Now we're coming into XAUUSD. Yeah, this is the trade that I cashed yesterday. But for today, we have this 1 hour zone. Just forget this. I'm yet to journal my trade, so I'm yet to take a screenshot from my journal. So I've left it in. Procrastination at peak, bro. Anyways, so we have a 1 hour zone right here, right? So we're using previous day's New York highs as your inducement, right? You can see this beautiful wick. So we'll use that as inducement and try to enter on this 1 hour for a sell side, because we are already on the sell side. So we'll go for the sell side. But there is one thing that you have to notice, that there is a draw on liquidity above the 1 hour, right? The draw on liquidity is your previous day high. You can see this right here. So we'll have to take care of that. But apart from that, this OB looks very good. And so yeah, so you guys can target this, all right, for your 1 hour and your GBPUSD. Euro USD, let's skip for now. This was a previous zone that I marked way before, and it's failed basically, right? But the next one will be around this region, right? Around this region. 1 second, let me turn off the custom sessions. Yeah. So we'll have to wait and see for price to come into this region. I'm not fully convinced, and I don't think price is gonna reach this point by today. And tomorrow we have red folder news on Euro, GBP, and your USD, right? So on JPY, we have two major zones, which will be this 15-minute zone today, and we have this 4 hour zones, right? So this is just an intermediate zone that I have marked. If price fails to do this, comes all the way down, then I guess I would target from this region. But this is my overall order block. This is my overall order block, and this is my order block that I will be following for today. All right. So on the 15 minutes, we can see that it is the region to go for buy. It's coming in between like a 50% of your Asia, but it doesn't really matter even if Asia high gets taken out, because we have the previous day's high as support, right? So we have this. So price has taken previous day high, put in a new high completely, and so we're just following the trend and according to the support and resistance, right? You can see this area is a good support. Price has come here, gone all the way down, and we have this previous day high, and this is the day before's high. So I'm going to consider this as a good support region, and I'm going to be targeting a trade from here on your 5 minutes, all right, with a confirmation on your 5 minutes. And this is your overall bias, which we might see reach tomorrow on the news. And as for USDCAD, so USDCAD, you can see we are on a very clear uptrend, and USDCAD has recently just taken previous week's low. So today we will be using previous day's lows inducement, and we will be going in for a trade for your buy setup. So it's a pretty simple, solid, straightforward setup, right? And yeah, this is it. Today's going to be a very clean trading day. It's going to be a very clean trading day. So hopefully you guys make good profit. Hopefully I make good profit. I'm going to make a video about it later if I do make profit or loss. So we'll see. All right. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.